Hey guys, it's Alex and Kip. I just wanted to give you guys a little update on the Yellowstone River because right now we are in peak flood season, meaning the river is running off. All of the snow that accumulated up in the mountains over the winter is coming down, and the Yellowstone River is absolutely ripping right now. So come check it out. So right now we are on Norm's Island near Billings, Montana. Normally there's a huge gravel bar right here. And the channel is, very, very small, just way out there. I think the river is running at 45,000 CFS right now. Normally in the summertime, it's in the 10,000s. So this is quite a bit higher. So one of the reasons why I think high water is so impressive is because it basically fuels the rock hunting on the Yellowstone River. So every year when the water gets this high, all of the gravels get turned over, allowing new gravels to get uncovered, new rocks, new gravel bars that weren't there before. And so every year there's new agates on the river because of this. You can literally see the debris floating down. And over there you can see literally a whole tree floating down the river. So again, normally 100% of this, like till about where my finger is totally just a gravel bar. Anyways, I hope you enjoy getting this little insight into the Yellowstone River. Again, it is one of the most amazing rivers because of this cycle. We don't have many undammed rivers like this. It is the longest undammed river, I believe, west of the Mississippi. So it's impressive. I mean, you come out here and you see this, it kind of sweeps you away. So anyways, I know I can't portray the true magnitude of it via video, but it's hopefully something that you can appreciate.